In shadows deep, where candles gleam, the vampire court fulfills its dream. With crimson wine in goblets high, they toast the night beneath the sky. A feast of blood, an ancient lore, a night of pleasures, unlike any before. They waltz through darkness, forevermore, as echoes of their hunger roar. Greetings! Today, we will be learning how to decorate a fireplace using a dark, Gothic, Burgundy, vampire, Halloween aesthetic. Now, let's get started on this mysterious project. I started by covering my mantle with light ivory felt to avoid scratches. After that, I hung my lighted wreath and then attached a spray-painted skeleton that I got at the at-home store. I added my gold mantle clock that I finally decided on. I also added my lighted garland that I got last year with fairy lights. And finally added a halo to the skull that I got on Temu, as I think I like the religious Gothic feel. My color scheme for this project is burgundy, ivory, gold, black, and some green. At the end, we will see everything with the lights off. I then added my lighted skull terrariums that I made this year. Please check out my Halloween decorating playlist for how to make these. I'll put a link in the description. I then found this Christian Siriano skeleton candlestick set that matched my clock. I added a small green sage wreath and an LED candle and placed them on the mantle. I also added 2 glass burgundy pumpkins that I got at the at-home store to bring in a Halloween feel. I then added 2 black Gothic candle holders and placed them on white blocks of styrofoam to give them enough height to be seen. I got these 2 mother and father lenticular vampire portraits and added them to the front to give it a Gothic family feel. What do you think? To break up the hard lines, I used my Target dollar spot trees in the background and then added some floral elements. To keep this feeling Gothic or Victorian and to keep in line with my color scheme, I used these white flowers from Hobby Lobby, large roses from Michael's, and some smaller burgundy flowers and roses from Hobby Lobby. Does this look like a vampire's ball to you? I found this old key at a store and thought it would look good in this display, so I stuck it in front by Mama and Papa Vampire. After that, I thought I could add some burgundy ribbon to the sides of the garland to spruce it up a bit. I thought it could use gold and burgundy, but the gold was too much. I made some simple bows and popped them in. After that, I dimmed the lights to see what it looked like. Stay tuned because we are also decorating the sides of the mantle on the floor. Starting with the floor display, I used my bat candle holders that I got at Michael's last year with an LED candle. To make sure I can see the design, I added a piece of light gray tulle into the lantern. This will catch the light and allow you to see the whole lantern design. I set the lantern on a small stool on top of a small wreath. I added red flowers to the wreath. I then sat my burgundy Martha Stewart skeletons on stools next to it. I added some pumpkins and this glass skull candle holder that I got at Walmart and the Dollar Tree. I then placed my Temu brass candle holder on some Dollar Tree books and added candles. To soften it, I added some more of the white flowers and roses. I also added a few Masquerade masks as a final touch. What do you think? Comment below. Now let's get a closer look at this display and see it with the lights off. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below on what parts you liked and what your Halloween theme is this year. Please check out my Halloween decorating playlist for different Halloween themes like traditional Halloween and even the Headless Horseman. Please check out my other Vampire Masquerade decorating videos in this list. Until next time, have a happy Halloween.